Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about Ether targets, updates with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in, guys. This is the same FEEP, same targets, same zones of interest since listing of this token on a Bybit in June 2024. So basically, it's a weekly time frame, almost 1 year. We trade just in the accumulation zone. Do I believe in new all-time high? Guys, everything possible. The main condition for all of these tokens, which listed 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, these tokens should be exist on centralized exchanges, volume, liquidity, and it should be tradable, right? Because if the token, let's say some tokens traded on the KuCoin, but with 52k volume, so it's nothing. It's literally nothing, right? So if nobody trade a token, if there is no liquidity, if there is no market makers, no bots, no soft, nobody hold, or keep the algorithm, right? So it's just random. It's just random, and so sooner or later, you can see the email from the BitGet, for example, or the Bybit. So they will delist this asset. I'm not talking about ATH. I talk in general because people all the time made a mistake. They buy some token, fall in love, wait some crazy targets. After that, after the year, for example, like with Lena, I also trapped it with Lena, and after the 4 years, they just post, "Oh, sorry, but we closed the project," and Binance delisted. Other exchanges still listed, still this token still exists for trades, but with a low volume. So guys, never say never. What is kind of bad for this token? A market capitalization 246 million, FDV 1.22 billion. So it's so crazy differences. So it's not so good for the token. 20% tokens only in circular supply. So imagine circular supply 8.4, 8.5 billion. So to all people who think we're gonna hit $1 easily, this token to hit $1 with this current price, current circular supply should be like almost 8.5 billion market capitalization. So just all the time, guys, work with realistic price targets. Take a look the data here. IDO rounds was in March 2024, 1 cent 3. That guy's still in profit, 123%. I don't think so. They not out. From that project, and still hold it. But many cases, I showed you, we have to pay attention for this fundraising rounds because the market makers, this venture funds, and particularly the pre-Series A rounds, we can't know the price, at what price did they get this token. But they come back to test this level. So 1 cent and 3. 1 cent and 3, it can be exactly next zone of interest on a Bybit. So just in case, after listing, in the main video about ATH, you can find out totally for free in my free Telegram channel, and here we are finally came into the first zone of interest, and this is the next one. Next one, it starts at 1 cent 88 and 1 cent 48. So this one. Should we drop so low? Maybe. We can't know, guys. We can't know. Nobody know the timing. Nobody know for sure we will drop or not. But you build a plan. So you buy here, here. Average entry 2 cents 4, 4 cents 96. You out with initial deposit. Leave free tokens. Wait new all-time high. So that's it. Pretty simple strategy, guys. Invalidation of this idea on a Bybit, it's dump under 0.2072. So will we drop or not, guys? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. That's why most likely, if we hold the line here, we will go bounce to close, I don't know, around 10. We can test even the 0 level. It's 6 cents 27. So just in case. But we can trade long time period in this area. And the main problem now it's FDV and market capitalization. So it's a big differences, guys. And also the unlocks, the supply. So just be careful. Just be careful. The all-time high, yes, also possible. Just with with money inflow into alts. New all-time high is from this current price is 421% pump to new all-time high, sweep that high. So I'm not sure. I don't have any interest to invest in this token. So just in case, if we'll drop to this block, It can be like 885, maybe, but I have zero interest. I don't like the story where we get something like this one. Huge differences, only 20% tokens in unlock it, unlocks this in shadow, guys. Here is ecosystem development, DAO treasury, a drop. Still people get a drop till October 2025. The people will get a drop. So here another one batch. After that we will see the investors unlocks started from summer 2025. It's kind of weird. That's why I hope in autumn, we can see the bounce. Till autumn, by end of summer, it's hard to say where we're gonna stop. But by logic, market makers and investors, what's the point for investors to bring the token here? If they can in summer, for example, drop like this one. After that, when they start to get their allocation, in autumn 2025, put the price higher to 7 cents to 10 cents and distribute it again at higher price targets. So just in case, guys, be careful and don't be trapped when we will see some recover move. So everything pretty simple. Let's double check what my customer said. Still Aethir. It's kind of weird, but this is still Aethir on the market mode on a weekly time frame. I have no words, guys. Direction, yes, we drop it to the bottom, but without any signals for accumulation. ADZ, here was a top, here's a middle, but not a crazy accumulation. So, guys, I don't have any so great bullish news. For me personally, a lot of tokens so underrated and with much better condition if we talk about a risk ratio. Here's the money inflow, was in February, it's 3 cents 5, 3 cents 4. So technically, yes, it's okay. Maybe we'll see another one. So I wish to see, if I could be investor in this token, I wish to see the drop to IDO rounds, right? Targets, new money inflow, build a good average and pump. All zones, guys, absolutely relevant. Highly recommend go and check the first video. And by the way, this is the intention accumulation pump model. It's totally free model. How to work with this model? Highly recommend go and check free educational video. Here was a sell, drop, close or short position buy. From that buy, here you could fix a profit at this point. Take a look how almost still penny we touch at that level, 42%. But it is, of course, it's a swing trades. Take profit, guys. Yes, here fundamental value of this token now it's 1 cent 98 on the daily time frame. Now we try hold the lines 61 low by FIB. Take profit line, it's 5 cent 29. So the bad case scenario, guys, if we'll see something like this one. So it's going to be the bad case scenario. Why bad? Because we will waste the time. So if we'll see now bounce like April, May, bounce, and after that we'll drop again from zero level to zone of interest, it's going to be so hard. People will be in depression. Definitely. Weekly time frame, unfortunately, no data for take profit indicator, guys. At 12 time frame, I want to show you here the buy line. Now it's 2 cents 24. From a value, it's 1 cent 67. That's it. On take profit line, it's 4 cents 45. Exit line 5 cents. So guys, all targets I showed you. If you would like to trade with my customer, because I will show in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.